Hi, Linda Sessions here for the last time. It is week 8 for your computer application class, and I know you're all excited to get this done and over with and behind you, and I completely understand that. Hopefully you've learned some new skills during the last 8 weeks, improved your typing skills, and had some fun along the way. So let's take a look at your final project for this class. So here in Module 8, you can see the only thing you have to do this week is the Computer Applications Final Project. There is no typing this week. I can already hear the sounds of excitement on that one. So, what is the final exam? Or the final project? It's not really an exam, it's a project. What you're going to be doing is doing some research on the internet. I want you to look up Olympics and look at a particular year of the Olympics. I don't care if you use Summer Olympics, Winter Olympics, Special Olympics, but look up the Olympics on the internet and do some research. For your, for your Excel spreadsheet, I want you to create a spreadsheet showing the medal counts. So you're going to choose 10 countries from the Olympic that you are looking at, and you're going to create a spreadsheet. You can start out here like this, just creating a spreadsheet. You're going to put the country names on there, make sure you spell them correctly, put their medal counts on there. You're going to be adding a total column to this spreadsheet and a title and a subtitle. You're going to be formatting it, and then I want you to make 2 different charts. I want to see a bar chart showing the different countries and their gold, silver, and bronze medals in that chart. And then I also want you to make a pie chart with the total amounts for each country. So you're going to be having 3 spreadsheets in this particular assignment. One with the totals, you're going to have the medal data, you're going to have the column graph data, and the pie graph data. Make sure you mark the tabs accordingly and apply a tab color. The Word document is I want you to make a flyer. So think back to when you created the flyers in Module 1, and you're going to take one of the Olympic events, or maybe you just want to talk about the entire Olympics, and create a flyer. I want to have at least 1 picture on there. You can put more if you want. I want a couple of shapes. I want text within the shapes. I want your font title to be 36 point with some type of a text effect on it. I want you to have a couple of paragraphs of information, and I want a bullet list on this. Now, don't just copy and paste information from the internet. This does not have to be real detailed. Put your own thoughts in there. Make sure you spell everything correctly, and try to have some fun with it. I think make sure that you spell everything correctly. Doesn't have to be just 1 page. If you want to go to 2 pages, that's fine. But try to have fun with it as well. Make sure you read through the instructions, because I tell you exactly how I want the picture to be formatted in this particular document. Now, PowerPoint, I want you to think back to your celebration PowerPoint that you did, and that's what I want you to do for the PowerPoint here, except the content is going to refer back to 5 different of your Olympic events. So your first PowerPoint slide will be the name of the Olympics, the year, and a couple of pictures on there. Your slide 2, I want a picture and some caption, and I want you to indicate your 5 different events, and use SmartArt to put those 5 different events on there, and then play around, make that smart art look good. The next couple of slides, the next 5 slides, are going to be one slide on each individual event that happened at that Olympics. Maybe who won the gold, silver, and bronze, maybe what's a little bit about it, why you chose it. It's your presentation, but I want 5 different events covered. And remember, always refer back to that particular Olympics that you chose to look at. Then you're going to have a closing slide that just kind of reiterates what you were looking at, and maybe a quote from somebody from those Olympics. I want to transition on every slide in your presentation, and you can get extra credit. I'm giving you up to 5 points of extra credit if you add animations, and I tell you exactly where I want the animations to go. Now, sometimes people are like, hey, what I'm doing, that animation that you had on slide 5, that doesn't work. Can I change it? Yeah, that's fine, as long as you've got an animation of some sort on slide 5. Again, review your spelling, grammar, punctuation. Do not just copy and paste information from the internet. Remember, when you do a PowerPoint presentation, it's just short and to the point on the slides. Don't write a book on each slide, okay? Try to have some fun with it. You're going to save and submit it for grading. Right here in Blackboard, you're going to browse local files and attach, and you can attach all 3 files at the same time, or if you want to do one at a time, that's fine as well. So have some fun with it. Again, I hope you've learned some new things in class, and it's been fun working with you and watching you advance along the way this semester with your computer skills. Reach out if you have questions. I am here for you. And remember, the last day of class is March 12th. If you can have the stuff turned in, just turn it in when you get it done. That's fine. There's also a class evaluation. You should have received an email in your WSU Tech email for a class evaluation, and I hope you take the time to fill that out for me. It's been fun, and have fun with the rest of your education, and I will see you some other time.